Is this still considered a pizza even though it doesn't have red sauce on it? It does have cheese, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and it was cooked in an outdoor pizza oven. Comment down below and let me know what you think. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's a pizza guy John, and I get this question asked all the time. It's not a pizza because it doesn't have sauce. Well, that is what we're trying to figure out today. Is without red sauce, is it still considered a pizza if it just has extra virgin olive oil, or no sauce at all, no oil? Is it still considered a pizza? That's what we're going to find out. And again, if you haven't commented down below with your answer, you can do so at this time. So basically, this is just a simple go-to pizza when I'm hungry. I always have garlic on hand, and so here I have some chopped up garlic that I have chopped up here, a couple of cloves, extra virgin olive oil. I got some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan, grated Parmesan as well there. And basically it's just a simple pizza. The dough is stretched out. You go with your Parmesan, mozzarella, your garlic, and then a drizzle of olive oil into the pizza oven. And again, that's what I consider as a pizza. But again, a lot of people wouldn't consider it a pizza. Maybe some people will consider it as just, garlic bread. You can do tons of different toppings without sauce, but again, is it still considered a pizza? Again, that's up to you to decide. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have some dough here that I made. This is a 48-hour dough recipe. I will link that up above if you want to learn how to make that. We're gonna go ahead and just get a dough ball. Here I have the oven preheated, which we're using the Gozney Dome. And I've had it preheated now close to a little more than an hour because it is pretty cold outside. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this dough ball into there. And I'm just gonna get this stretched out. This dough feels nice. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get this stretched out. Super airy. Again, I'm just stretching all the way to the crust. Building a nice inch or so crust, flipping that over. And this is at 65% hydration. All right, and we're gonna go ahead now and just get this stretched out. And this is about a 265 gram dough ball, so not too big, but again, it will make a pretty good size 12-inch pizza. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some semolina. All right, just getting a last little stretch. And like I said, again, this is considered a no sauce pizza, but again, it does have some olive oil. So again, I still consider it as a pizza. So we do a pretty heavy amount of Parmesan. Then we'll go ahead down with our chopped garlic. And again, garlic's really good, so I tend to have it on, like I said, on hand. And I'll usually put a good amount of garlic down. And you get some spots right there. All right, and we're just gonna do a little bit of cheese as well. And if you like my channel, like, subscribe, comment down below. Check out my Instagram. I do post pretty often on there as well. And get a couple more pieces. All right, and like I said, extra virgin olive oil all the way around. Okay, and we are good like that. All right, and we're gonna go to the Gozney Dome, which again has been preheated, so we're gonna go straight into the oven. And straight in the oven all the way in. Get the oven turned down. And since there's not a lot of toppings, it will tend to rise a little bit, but that is okay. And we're just gonna get this heated up a little bit here. Like I said, it's pretty cold outside today. Let's go and take a look at that bottom. Nice and cooked. And you could smell that garlic, you can smell that oil. Get that turned down. And I'm just cooking now the crust a little bit more on this side. And just like that, that is cooked all the way around. So we're gonna go ahead and get this inside on the cooling rack and then we'll come back. All right, so the pizza is now cooled down. Let's take a look at this, nice and brown all the way around. Of course, there's a little spot here where the bubble got burnt, but that's not an issue. And again, it smells really, really good. It has garlic, olive oil, cheese, and a ton of Parmesan. Again, this looks like a pizza to me, so let me know what you think down below. And go ahead and get this cut. Crust is nice and soft. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get a cut of this one. And let's just take a look at this. Nice little, little flop. Let's go ahead and get a bite of this. So good. Just a simple pizza. You get the garlic, you get the olive oil, the mozzarella. It's just one of these pizzas that is just a fresh pizza. If this is something that you like and subscribe to my channel, comment down below, give my video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.